Okay, finally back with another Stop It Slender video. Do you realise you can talk, you know, so that I can answer it pick up, but it won't pick up. Okay. I can watch around. Let's go. Watch around. Okay. And there's some dead thing there. And if you look at this closely, guys, you can see it says thank you to me, and it says thank you to all the other players that is on the server. I'm just chilling. If you don't know my avatar on Roblox, this is my avatar. I don't really care about this, if you ask me, but so I'm just gonna skip it. Is there any more of my apps open? That's fine. Just get rid of that. Just checking my things up. So this is a good thing.
Yeah, no worries.
Citizen again. Woo! It gets me every time. Y'all can't hear this, but if you know somewhere. Oi! Oh, why did I just... This is starting to annoy me. Woo! I'm just trying, which is not helpful. But I think it makes sense if I do it. Talk to myself. It's according to my friends anyway if I talk to myself. So it makes sense. Just realised, how does it make sense if I talk to myself? It doesn't. Alright. Over past though, so I'm gonna end this video. See you guys later.